Ready to streamline your B2B workflow? Welcome to the PrintGizmo 7 tutorial series. Today, order approval workflow. Let's go! This feature puts a company approver in the driver's seat. Instead of going straight to production, orders are channeled to an admin who can review, reject, or edit the order on the fly. It's the perfect way to ensure accuracy before a job hits the press. Just a quick heads up. This feature only kicks in when pay on balance is active for your storefront and the customer. To set this up, head over to the Edit Organization tab. You'll find the necessary toggles under the configuration settings in both the left and right columns. By enabling these, you unlock the pay on account and pay on limit options for your teams. Just remember to hit save. Once you do, every order will move through the approval workflow. One quick tip: broker admins won't be able to see any order info until the organization takes action by approving or rejecting it. Now let's dive deeper into how we handle limits and approvals. You'll want to set your pay-on limit to the maximum amount allowed for your organization. Once that's done, you can decide how orders are approved. Just pick between yes, no, or partial order. You also have control over external approvals. You can set those to be mandatory, optional, or turn them off entirely. That covers everything you need to know about order approvals in PrintGizmo 7. If you run into any challenges or have a few questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support gurus. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.